Hey my beautiful loves, it is Ashley Love here, and I'm back with another unboxing. Yeah. So anyways, this is my first unboxing of mintMONGOOSE. I actually picked the rose gold, which was just added to it. It is $12 for 3 exclusive pieces, $40 plus retail value. You can customize it with silver, gold, or rose gold, and again I got rose gold. You can get earrings or no earrings, watches or no watches, which I thought was pretty cool. And then every 3 months you get an awesome gift, which is like a wallet, makeup, or sunglasses, or so they say. And there's also a second package, which is $22.99, where you get 4 pieces, $55 retail value or more, and you get 2 fun accessories, which is like socks, makeup, stuff like that, and you get to pick one of them. And every 3 months you get an epic gift. And if you are interested in getting mintMONGOOSE, you can end up going to the link in the description. I actually recorded this video already, and then it ended up like really messing up, and so I had to do it again. It's like that womp womp womp. Like I literally got done and then had to do it all over again. So here we are. But anyways, it comes in this pretty shiny blue package, and I ended up getting it in this, which, like I said, I had to do this twice, so this has already been opened, and it was wrapped in this tissue paper, which again has already been opened. And so let me show you the 3 very cool items that I got from mintMONGOOSE this month. The first one is this. Hold on, let me pick it up if I can get it. The first thing are these gorgeous rose gold earrings. Let's see if you can see them. They are, I believe they're like a black stone. It's kind of like blackish, grayish green. But they're actually really pretty, and I needed some more earrings because just this past year, I ended up getting second holes, and I need to literally put something in them. Okay, yeah, I'm back. So the next 2 items ended up getting kind of like tangled up already, and so yeah, I had to pause for a minute and get them straightened out. But the next thing I got was this necklace that actually matches the earrings, I believe. And it is really cool. Let me show it to you a little bit closer. And it is really beautiful. I cannot wait to wear both of those. And the last thing is something my daughter is going to love, and that is this bracelet. And so to recap, I got the bracelet, the necklace, and the earrings. And so I'm super happy with my first mintMONGOOSE package. For $12, I have been a gold like fanatic for the past maybe year, and before that I was a silver fanatic for many years, and I'm really taking a like to rose gold within like maybe the past 6 months. And so I wanted to get mintMONGOOSE to kind of start my rose gold collection. So this is going to be awesome. I am definitely going to keep this subscription for another month. If you get this, please comment below what you got, what you think of it. And like I said, this tongue-tied. The link to subscribe if you'd like to is below if you are interested. And if you do subscribe, or like I said, if you're already subscribed, please let me know how it's going. What do you think? Are you getting what you like? And just let me know your thoughts on it. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly love doing unboxings. I've got a bunch of different ones coming this month, so we are going to have a ton of fun together. I cannot wait. And please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I will see y'all next time. Y'all have a blessed and a wonderful night. Bye. And here is me wearing all of the jewelry I got.